It's Thursday, February 25th, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. Stocks bounces off lows with force. Wow, Wall Street snapped back from early day lows. Retailers had quite a comeback here. Very interesting. Anyway, we had durable goods is solid. Jobless claims continued to rise. But today, what a wild ride. Let's take a look and see how we ended the markets. Here, the Dow's down 53 points. S&P down 2.5, around 2 points. I see it changing still. It's still early in the post-market session. NASDAQ here. But if you notice here, we're only down a half a percent. We were down more than a full percent across the board. And then we just come rallying from these lows, going straight up, and actually going into positive territory on the Russells by day's end. Unbelievable. VIX had spiked, but then has come right back down. We're still at that 20 mark. So let's just take a look at what was happening out there in the markets. Now, as you'll notice, I changed some trend lines here. And the thing that I want to pay attention to is what happened today. So we're really going to blow this up to take a look at the S&P Daily. We came out and we opened up the day right here. And then we come crashing down, 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 down. And then I thought, there it is. We're bearish, we're bearish, we're bearish. And then we get down here around this 20-day moving average, and we head back north. And we didn't look back. We just went straight up. Now we have this hammer type formation. So that's pretty bullish for the day. And what the other thing that I like is this trend line coming down. Here we hit it, we started to drop, but then we hit it again, we hit it. We're just right there, right on this line. So this is acting like it's wanting to pop through. So anyway, yesterday I had my bear hat on this day. Yesterday I was moving. I've got a larger office here. I just moved down here in the Arts District of Carmel. And anyway, that's been a laborious task to say the least, moving an office. If you haven't done that in a while, wow. But anyway, and today I thought I was going to have to throw that because I was indecisive yesterday, and I just sat on my hands because I didn't know what was going to happen. Today I was ready to go bearish, and when I saw it rallying back, I thought no. And by the time, I don't know, an hour or so from the markets, I went ahead and put on the bull hat. So now I've got the bull hat on, but I'm not 100% convinced until we can blast through that trend line and do it with force and stay above it. That's what I'm looking for. We had decent volume today, so that was nice to see. Hey, I want to go over a couple stocks on the Dow 30. So let's take a look at these guys. First one I want to pay attention to is Disney. And let me say this is for educational purposes only. And let me say this, I will never trade this stock. Why? It's a slow-moving slug, not nearly powerful enough for me. I need something explosive, and that's why we do our bull and bear list off the V newsletter. And don't be missing out. If you are not happy with your trades and you need some higher caliber, some better breed companies to be trading, that V newsletter is what you want. But anyway, check this out. We get this high base formation pop up. High base 3150 is the area. If we could pop up over that, that could be explosive. It's going to have to bust through some resistance at this area, but man, with some strength with the markets, that could be quite nice. Here's Coca-Cola. Big gap down on some significant volume, and here we find support at the 200-day moving average, and this thing looks really weak, and it's hard telling how far this might want to drop, so keep an eye on that. And this is Exxon in a falling wedge pattern, and this is in one of those places that you can go higher or lower, and be very careful with that. And what was another one I was looking at? I was looking at Procter & Gamble. Yeah, check this out. We cleared these highs. We have a high base formation, just looking for a breakout over these highs. That should be a decent opportunity if the market stay bullish and this thing were to rally above these highs with bigger volume. So this is the last time you're going to hear me bring it up for this month, and tomorrow, last day, to be mentored by Matador myself, taking on a small group of people. We have 2 spots still available, and if that's you, you want to turn your trading around and you want to be teamed up with us. Oh, and by the way, each and every week we open our doors now to all of our students, and the mentors, we take turns doing support webinars, and we holding the hands and guiding and helping our students develop to the new and higher levels in their own trading. So continued success to each and every one of you. Happy trading to you. Take care.